Hey guys, in this video we will going to talk about the Hostinger's review. You can see, so here we will going to talk about all the points of Hostinger, what are the features it provides, and I will also going to share you my personal experience of using Hostinger for the past 2 months. So you can see that this is the edge panel, that means Hostinger's panel, and here I have hosted my more than 6 7 websites, okay, in Hostinger. So first thing is that I myself using Hostinger, okay. So now, if you will just see and search on Google the best affordable hosting and with amazing features, so it will be always Hostinger. Why? Because you can see majority of people they just take the WordPress hosting or simple web hosting. So let's first go to WordPress hosting, okay, and you can see that this is the single WordPress hosting and it is costing 69. That means dollar one. If you will see in the terms of dollars, so you can just tap on the top and you can just go here United States, okay, and you will find the starter will be dollar one. But same if you just go ahead with some other companies, you can let me just convert it into USD with the Bluehost, okay, and let me just go to WordPress hosting. So you will going to see that it will going to cost a hell lot of money. Same with the SiteGround, you can see there is starter plan start with $3, and in case of Bluehost, so it is starting with $2. So in the front of your eyes you can see that Hostinger is a lot affordable, and if you are a beginner and if you want to learn about WordPress, so Hostinger is very great. And the amazing thing is that in 2 to 3 years back when I started my online journey, so at that time first hosting which I purchased was HostGator. Okay, so here you can see that their introductory, that means their first price is starting with $5. Hell expensive, and you can just create one website. So this is a hell lot expensive hosting, okay, that is HostGator. So it's not suggested by me. Reason is that because of the support, whenever you ask them any question they will going to say that this is your mistake, this is the problem. But in Hostinger you will not going to face such issue, because if you will see, if you will just go to this help or there this support tab, so here I have put plenty of questions in front of their support team, okay. So you can see I have put plenty of, if you will see the messages, so here you can see plenty of problems whatever I was facing with the Hostinger team. You can see the list is continue going on. These guys are very much helpful, okay. They will going to solve your issue for free, they will not going to charge. But if you just go with the SiteGround, so if you even want to install some application, maybe there was some application Motic, okay, Motic email marketing system which you need to install in your hosting server. So at that time when I was using SiteGround, so at that time if I wanted to tell these guys that please help me to install Motic, I'm a non-technical person, so these guys say that they will going to charge extra money. So they are kind of very much crave for money. They will not going to do any tasks for you if until unless you will going to pay them extra. But not with Hostinger, they are very helpful and they will going to help you for each and everything, whether you want to install Motic, WordPress or anything. They will going to help you for every single thing. And if you have some technical issue inside your website, so they will also going to help you in that as well. So very good opportunity. You can see that this is your plan, basically various plans in Hostinger, okay. And I personally, you can see that I'm using personally, let me just go to the hosting. I'm using WordPress business hosting, which is this one, business WordPress, okay. And I have purchased for 4 years, Okay, so you can see that they will going to allow you in the first plan, they will only going to allow you one website, because it is but obvious that in this amount, uh, it is but obvious they will only going to allow one website. So if you are very much starter, so you can go ahead with that. But still I say, if you can afford, you can just go ahead with the most popular one, which is WordPress starter. So you can just get 100 website, 100 storage, 25 monthly visits. But even if your website have 50,000 visitors, still your website will going to, or your hosting will going to handle that traffic very easily. Free email, that means you might have heard about some that means some, you know, professional email looks like help at the rate xyz.com. For example, our brand is support at the rate beingcommerce.in. So you can even create your professional email account, something like this. Okay, so that is a very great thing. And here you will also going to get unlimited bandwidth, unlimited database, free SSL certificate, Cloudflare support. It will make your website more secure. Okay, and with Hostinger, it comes with integrated features. So that's a very great thing. You will going to get a free domain, free migration, and plenty of amazing features. And it's but obvious that you will going to get 30 days money back guarantee and 24 by 7 support. So their support is just amazing. Okay, 99.90% uptime. That means your website will going to load very fast. Okay, so that is a very great thing. And you, they have multiple data centers as well. Okay, so this is just an amazing thing, and I highly recommend you guys to just go ahead with the Hostinger, because it is hell affordable. Okay, and with amazing support and features. So it's a very winning situation for you guys to go with the Hostinger. And one more thing, in case if you guys are interested to buy Hostinger, so you can just type hostinger.com slash Bing Commerce, everything in a small, and then click on enter. I will also going to provide you 10% discount in case if you want. Okay, so just use my link. I will also going to attach the link in the video description box and in the comment section. So just go there and check it out. And whatever hosting you want, whether web hosting, cloud hosting, or whatever hosting. For example, I think majority of you guys will buy WordPress hosting. So let's say you pick any of the plan you want. For example, let's say this one. Okay, so you just need to add to cart it, and it's very simple. Okay, and then it will going to redirect you guys. And then here you can just choose whatever plan you want, for 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, for 4 year, that means 48 months. Whatever you have, just go ahead with that plan. In the coupon you can just apply Bing Commerce. Okay, you can see this spelling, everything in capital, and click on apply, and you will going to get extra discount as well. Okay, in whatever plan you will going to choose, you will going to get discount in that. But I will never going to suggest you guys to go with the 1 month, because it is very much costly for you. Okay, at least go for 12 months, or max to max you can just go for 48 months. To be honest, I have purchased for the 4 year. Okay, but it's totally up to you. Whatever you want, you can just go ahead with that option. Okay, so this will be my suggestion for you guys. Okay, and there's one more thing I just wanted to tell you guys, that I have provided the link of the Hostinger uh, in the description and in the comment. So if you purchase from my link, so it will very much helpful for me to run my channel and to help my family. Okay, and there's one more offer, in case if you guys are even interested to learn about WordPress, how you can create WordPress website, different WordPress websites, like blogging website, e-commerce website, affiliate website, dropship website, personal brand website, online course website, Facebook like website, agency website, real estate website, and many more. So I have also created one offer for you guys. So I will also going to provide the link of this uh, offer in the video description in the comment section, so you can just check it out, this offer. And if you guys are interested, you can just go ahead and take this offer. The amazing thing about this one is that you will also going to get 40 plus extra courses included with this bundle for absolutely free, and you can see these are all the courses you will going to get. Okay, so if you guys are interested, you can just check out the offer page and you can just get the complete idea about this offer. Okay, and if you are interested, you can even take this. Okay, so this was all about this hostinger review. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Okay,